If you're tired of spending hours trying to perfect a gradient or just starting out and unsure of how to create one, then this video is for you. Canva's new gradient color feature makes it easier than ever to create beautiful, professional looking designs with just a few clicks. From vibrant and bold to soft and subtle, you'll have endless possibilities at your fingertips. So stick around and learn how to elevate your designs with Canva's latest gradient color feature. Before we get into the tutorial, be sure to click that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any tutorials. I've opened my artboard and I've added a template for us to work with. You want to start by choosing the object or the element that you want to apply a gradient to, and we're going to select the background. Then go to the color button and open the color menu. You want to scroll to the bottom and you can see under the default colors, Canva has added gradients. All you have to do is click on one of these and Canva will add it to the element that you have selected. You can also create a customized gradient by going to the custom color button. When you select that, you can see when it opens, you have an option of solid color or gradient. And this shows you the two colors in the gradient that are being used. You have lots of options with this color gradient. So you can rearrange the order of the colors. You can add a color to the gradient by clicking this plus button and selecting your color. And then you can rearrange those colors as well. And then if you click the color, you can also change the opacity of that color by sliding this button up and down this bar. You can change the direction and angle of the gradient by clicking on each of these buttons. So the gradient option will also work on some elements like lines and shapes, and it's the same concept. You add your shape, go to the color button, go to the custom color button, and you can see here that a solid color is now selected on this menu. Click the gradient button, and then you can select the colors that you want to include on your element. And just like before, you can rearrange the colors and you can change the angle and direction of the gradient. So you won't be able to add a gradient to all the elements. For example, if you have a line and you add that, let's make this a little bigger so that you can see it. When you go to the color button and you pick a color, and then you go to the menu, you'll see that you don't have the option for the solid and the gradient. So you can only add one color to this particular element. Really, your best bet is to experiment with different gradient options and combinations to create unique and eye-catching designs. And of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post them in the comments and I'll be glad to help. That's it for today's video on Canva's newest gradient color feature. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to know when I release new videos about Canva and graphic design. And if you're ready to take your Canva skills to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description for a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro. You'll get access to even more design features and templates that will help you create stunning designs in no time. Also, don't forget to download my free ebook, 223 Canva Elements Keywords, which includes a list of keywords to help you find the perfect elements for your designs. And the link is also in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.